بعدين اكتشفت كومبلكس فراكتل، بقيت هيك اشوف الفيديوهات بحاول اني افهم الاستراتيجيه من الفيديوهات. كانت في صعوبات في البدايه، مثلا بفتح الشارت بهذا الشكل، ما بعرف من وين ببلش من هون من هون، ما كانت عندي رؤيه واضحه. بعدين قلت اوكي خليني ببلش اخذ الدوره معهم، اشوف كيف الوضع. Alright folks, welcome to this new video. So in this video we will break down today's trade. Okay, we take a short position on the gold future from this level right here. Okay, and our take profit was right here. So let's move to the chart and explain how we take this position. So as you can see right here, when I come to this area, I can see that this is an L model. Okay, right? So as we have talked during the mentorship, this is an L, this is an L, and this is an L model. Okay, but for me I will focus on this L right here. Why? Because I can see, if I try to decompose my movement, I can see that this small L right here can cover this big L right here. Okay, so as you know everyone, that we have the ADX model, the first small L, the second small L, and the first small L will give me the biggest L, and the second small L will give me a forecast in the future. Okay, it's the same idea, nothing will change. So the second L, this one right here, should be the one right here. Okay, then I will take my short position to this level and my short position to this level. Okay, so now when I read the chart in this way, I know that this one is my fractal. Okay, so we'll do the same things that we have seen during the mentorship. Okay, we'll try to number our fractal. So this will be 0. Okay, this will be 1, this 2, 3, 4, and the high right here is 5. Okay, so we will do the same thing on the chart. This will be 0, this will be 1, this will be 2, okay, this will be 3, and this will be 4, okay, and 5 is right here. Okay, so this is how we number the chart and the fractal. So I will try first to take Fibonacci from 2 to 0. Okay, I don't have right here a rejection from any famous Fibonacci number. Okay, so I will change in this way. Okay, you can see that the price, okay, doesn't reach the level 2 of Fibonacci, but it was very close to that level. Okay, so I will do the same thing on the chart. I will take my Fibonacci from 1 to 0, and as you can see right here, when the price come to the level, I just put it, it's around there, and this one is right here. Okay, so when the price come to the level of 2 Fibonacci, I will take, that's why I take my short position a little bit under the level 2 Fibonacci. We have like 5 or 6 points drawdown, and then the price go in our direction. So this is the breakdown of today trade. I will also show you how we take yesterday the trade on the gold. Okay, so it's always the same idea, nothing will change. Okay, so you can see guys, when I come to this chart, I actually first of all identify this movement, or this higher high right here is the same one right here. Okay, so now I have an idea that maybe this L right here will cover this L. Okay, so always the same idea, the ADX model of the two L's and the big one. Okay, this always the same strategy. Okay, so right here I know that this one will come here. Okay, so from this observation right here, that is self-similar to this one, I was able to identify that this L right here will cover this L right here. Okay, so let's just take the fractal. Okay, so it will be in this way. I will cut my fractal. Okay, and then I will take it right here. Nothing is hard. Okay, everything is simple, just we follow the rules that we have studied. Okay, so right here I can see that this point is 0, this 1, this 2, and then right here I have 3 right here, and I have this range. Okay, this range between 0.3 and 4 we have a range, the price is going on a range, and then we have our entry point will be a short position from the 0.5. Okay, we will do the same thing on the chart. So we have said that this movement right here from 0, 1, 2 is the same one right here. Okay, so that's why I will put right here 0, 1, 2. The beginning of my range is 3, and the end of my range is 4, and 5 where I will take my short position. Okay, now let's see how we can confirm this one with Fibonacci. Okay, so I will take my Fibonacci from 1 to 0. Okay, so almost the price another time come to the level 1.618. It didn't touch the level, and then the price go down. Okay, so right here I will do the same thing. Always we put in mind that there is a mirror between our fractal and the chart. So I try to what the same things that I do on the chart, I will do them on the fractal and vice versa. Okay, so I will take my Fibonacci from 1 to 0, and now we talk about a small tip to increase the accuracy. Okay, I will move from candlesticks to the lines, so I can remove the shadows of the candles. Okay, so right here I draw Fibonacci in this way. Okay, and 1.618 is so far from the rejection right here, but when I change to the line, okay, I will remove the shadow of the candles. Okay, in this way I will have the exact rejection level. So right here is 1.618. okay, here the price like it's 3 or 4 points to touch the level, the same thing right here, and it will be a position in this way, short position from here. Okay, this can be my stop loss, not something very big. Okay, and my take a profit, I can see right here that the price come and reach the level of 0.618. so I will put the same level right here, 0.618, and this will be my take a profit. Okay, so the position will be in this way. So I hope that you find this breakdown very informative and very helpful. I wish you good luck. Stay patient, okay, and try to get back to these examples that I do right now. Try to do it by yourself, okay. When you have the power to study the fractals on the past, when you will come to the live chart, you will be very good. But if you just try to go to the live chart and try to have the setup or trade, it will be a little bit hard. So start with the past, trading on the past, analyzing and backtesting the past, and then you will have the right power to become profitable and get good trades on the live. Okay, see you guys for the next session.